Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.